Join me as we delve deep into the history and significance of Good Friday to uncover its true meaning. Good Friday is a cornerstone of Christianity, commemorating the crucifixion of Jesus Christ and marking the beginning of a period of reflection and contemplation for believers around the world. While some may view Good Friday as just another day off work or a long weekend, for Christians it holds profound significance, often misunderstood. Some see it as a day of mourning, while others view it as a celebration, yet few truly grasp its essence. Misconceptions about Good Friday abound, with some seeing it as a day to focus on the negative aspects of Christ's crucifixion. Understanding the true meaning of Good Friday is crucial for many believers, as it serves as a powerful reminder of their faith and its core values. The origins of Good Friday are deeply rooted in biblical tradition, with accounts of Christ's crucifixion detailed in all four Gospels. These biblical references are a testament to the enduring power of faith, inspiring believers across generations. Different cultures celebrate Good Friday in unique and fascinating ways, from somber processions in Spain to joyous festivals in Italy, each adding a distinct flavor to this meaningful day. Good Friday is intricately connected to Easter, embodying a fusion of sacrifice, redemption, and hope. Its significance becomes apparent when considered alongside the resurrection of Jesus Christ, serving as a poignant reminder of the redemption and forgiveness central to the Christian faith. This narrative has captivated believers for centuries, resonating deeply with people from all walks of life. In essence, Good Friday is a day of immense significance, reflecting the contradictions of human nature and our capacity for both cruelty and compassion. It serves as a poignant reminder of the redemption and forgiveness at the heart of the Christian faith. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Good Friday's history and meaning. Share your thoughts on this sacred day in the comments below, and don't forget to watch our video on Easter for more insights.